Yanagachiro web application. In this video, you're going to review the process of using the system to process valuation activities that are named as inspections in this system. You start by filling in your credentials. Once they are validated, you enter into the system. And then here you see the list of the inspections that you've done as a valuer, and then those that are closed, those that you've started that you can check and actually proceed with them because they were saved as drafts. And you can actually create a new inspection. You start by filling in the UPI that will be retrieved from the system, LAN system, and then you select the type, let's say mortgage in this case. Then you select the property type, a building for our case, and then you can select the valuation method. Is it an income approach, market approach, or cost approach? If you do the income approach, then you go on the building details. Since we selected the building, let's say the case for the residential, though we have many other types. And then you select the building category, apartment, duplex, single family house. We'll just do single family house for our case. Then you do the whole structure. You can select as many options. There is concrete blocks. You can select different options. And then here you also specify the services. You can also have an option to select more than one. And then the utilities available. There's water, electricity. You can also do internet. Then you move to now other specifications. So let's say for the case of bathrooms, the bedrooms, we can do 5 bedrooms. You have a swimming pool. By default, let's say no. Do you have a garden? Yes. Do you have a lift? By default, it's no. The number of floors, you can do 1. The number of bathrooms, you can do 3. The kitchen, you can do 2 kitchens. The office, you can do 1. Dining room, you can do 2. Living room, you can do 2 as well. Do you have a paved area in this property? Yes. Then you specify the values. The open market value, the insurance value, and for sale value. Then here you attach the images of the house or the images. So let's say try different images. So you can add as many images as possible. Then, if you have any other observation that you want to add, any other comment. So basically, this is the inspection form, and then you can either save draft, you can or preview. So for our case, since we want to close this transaction, we can have a preview. So basically, we see the land details, then we see the valuation category, the building type, and other specific specifications, and then we see our attachments and the values that we gave to the building. Then after this, you can also have you also need to certify that you certify this transaction, and then you'll have to submit. So once you submit, the system will validate and approve this transaction, and then you also have the possibility to export the report of this transaction. So basically, once you click export, it will be marked as closed. The report will be downloaded automatically, and then you can also have a review of your report. So basically, this is, in a nutshell, the usage of Irembo Igenagachiro app to do the inspections. Thank you.